Hi everyone, it's Laura here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the unboxing of the Spellbinders Glimmer hot foil system, and I will also show you a quick project so that you can see this tool in action. I have more inspiration and projects on my blog and social media, so if you're interested, make sure to check the link in the description box down below. But now let's have a look at this machine. The Glimmer hot foil system is a tool that will allow you to add foil to your projects, and also because you use it in combination with a die cutting machine, you can exploit the pressure from the die cutting machine to create letterpress effects. And this is something that you cannot do with a traditional laminator. There are actually two different versions of the machine, one that works for Europe and the UK, and the other one that works in the US. The one I have is the one that works in the UK and in Europe, and as you saw, it comes with a UK power cord and also with a Europe one that you will see in a little bit. Included in the box is this little leaflet, which contains not only the safety precautions, but also instructions on how to use the machine and what settings to use it with depending on the material you are foiling, because the Spellbinders Glimmer hot foil system can foil not only paper and cardstock, but also chipboard, fabric, ribbon and leather. What I'm showing you right now is the platform, and it is the element that will get hot and where you will do your foiling. This one over here is the Europe power cord, and then together with the machine you will also get everything you need to get you started. So you will get two hot foil rolls, a rose gold and a silver one. And you will also get two hot foil plates, which I will show you in a minute. In the same bag with the Glimmer hot foil plates, you will find a thin shim, which is this opaque one you're seeing right now. You will find the silicone cooling mat, which you will use to leave your plates to cool down after you're done with the foiling. And you will also find the Glimmer spacer pad, and depending on the type of material you want to foil, you will either use only the spacer pad or the spacer pad and the thin shim. And all this information is contained in the leaflet that is included with the Glimmer hot foil system, so it's really easy to figure out what to use when. This tool here is a pair of magnetic tweezers, and this you will use to move your plates around so that you don't have to touch them with your hands while they're hot. And this way you can easily move them between your foil platform and your silicone mat. And now I wanted you to have a look at the Glimmer hot foil plates that you will get with the Glimmer hot foil system. So you can see you get two separate ones. One has a sentiment that reads best wishes, and so you can use for a lot of occasions, so it's a really versatile set. And the other one is an ornamental one that you can use to decorate your cards. Finally, this larger piece here is the base of your Glimmer hot foil system, and is the part that you will actually connect to your power socket using the power cord that is supplied in the box. And this way, once you connect the platform to the base, the platform will heat up and you can do your foiling. And now I'm going to show you how you can use this machine to create a quick but really gorgeous project. So I'm starting by turning on the machine with the little switch at the back. And as you can see, one of the three indicator lights will turn on. And at this point you need to wait until your platform heats up completely, and you will be notified of that when the second light turns green. At this point you can go ahead and position the Glimmer hot foil plates onto your machine, and I like to use the grid that is embossed on the machine to help me position the plates as precisely as I can. And also I use the back of my tweezers to move them around. And you want to use the back and not the front, because the front is magnetic and you don't want it to pick up your plates. Once you have placed down your plates, you want to press the timer button and the third light will start blinking, and it will stop once the plates are hot enough. As you can see, that's the case right now. So at this stage, you can go ahead and you can place your foil onto your plates. You are going to place your foil right face down. And then my advice is that you disconnect the platform from the base at this stage. Before you go ahead, place your cardstock on top of the foil and then close the sandwich with whatever shims you need to use. And as I said, you will find this information in the leaflet that is contained with the Glimmer hot foil system. And finally, to transfer the foil to the cardstock, you're going to run the sandwich slowly through your die cutting machine. And here you can see what the result looks like. In this case, I decided to do some foiling with the rose gold foil on some gray cardstock. And here I'm showing to you how easy it is to move around the Glimmer plates with those magnetic tweezers. And finally, here is this beautiful foiled card, and we need just a few more steps to get a finished project that looks really pretty. All I did was to trim my gray cardstock panel to 4 by 5¼ inches, and then I'm going to mat it with 2 more panels. A white one that I trimmed to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 inches, and a wine red one that I trimmed to a standard A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5½ inches. Off camera, I also added a couple of white Nuvo drops to accent the focal panel a bit more, but here you can see what a gorgeous shimmer you get thanks to the foiling, and you saw how quick and easy it was to achieve this result. As I said, I have shared more inspiration and more techniques that you can use with the Glimmer hot foil system by Spellbinders on my blog and social media, so make sure to follow the links in the description box below if you're interested in finding out more. I thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys soon with the next one. Ciao!